The main objective of this tutorial is to navigate you through some simple steps where you can create your own assignment in your respective classes in Edmodo. I believe some teachers are aware of this, how to create an assignment. Some teachers are already doing it, but the problem is children are not submitting to the created assignment. So that will be resolved from student side, but from the teacher side, what to be done, how to create or when to create, and what for it is. So basically, all assignments is to collect the assignments from children. Where if we create one assignment, children will be submitting their works to the particular assignment instead of posting directly in the feed of your class. So to avoid that and to have a track, and it's easy for teachers to have a track if children are submitting to the created or scheduled assignment. So we can see the due dates, we can see who is submitting, and otherwise, if you are allowing children to post in feed, if suppose if you miss one day to miss a day to check Edmodo, some post may be lost in the feed, might have gone down. So to avoid all this, so it's better to create assignments. Already some teachers are doing biology, mathematics. Let's do it for all subjects. So the steps are very simple. Now I have created a test class for this sake, and I have joined as a student, so I can show you everything on go. So generally in your class, you can go to create, where you'll find assignment. Tap on new, give a title. In your case, it could be a description of your homework or any title that you want to give, maybe chapter number, chapter title, topic title, homework title, anything. You can give instructions here, the instruction that you would like to assign children, or any guidelines that you want to give to children on how to do the work, that can be given there. And you can always attach some files, maybe PDF or maybe pictures, which can help children to do the assignment properly. You can add a link. It could be YouTube link also. You can just uh, attach the link there and try to attach one picture. I'm giving one picture here. uh, so then after giving everything, tap on assign. As you're already creating this assignment in the class itself, it shows the respective class. If you want to give this task to multiple classes, then you can select multiple classes. Since this case, most of the cases, we will be assigning to single particular class. So selecting date, due date. So let's say 5th time. So children have to submit the assignment before 6 p.m. and log after due date. So which means once it is checked this option, children cannot submit after the due date. And don't forget to add this to grade book so that you can give grades for the works that is created. Yes, you know this option already when you are creating quiz schedule for later. So if you are creating this assignment well before your class, like daily before you join the class, if you want to keep things ready for the children, so you can schedule it prior to that, prior to the class. So by the end of the class time, children will be able to see their homeworks in Edmodo. It's up to you. Then click on assign. The item has been sent. Yeah. This is how it will display your instructions, pictures or videos that you link. So here it can be observed. Test assignment due on 10th month 5th date. Assigned to one because there is only one student in the class, which is me, and not viewed. So let me go to my app, Edmodo app in my mobile. I'll try to view this. So then you will see what. Um, so I'm submitting it with some random files. I've just submitted from the student app. So let me refresh this page and see what you will see the changes here, what changes you observe in this. So one assigned to one submitted, and you can see submission here. So you can go to the submission where you will find who submitted and what. So admin test is the username of that particular student. So when you tap on that, you will see what is that attachment. You can see the work. I haven't properly inclined the picture, so it's showing like that. After observing this, you can put some comment to children like maybe you didn't felt something is right, or you want to assess them, uh, use pencil to some text, some comment based on the individual student performance, some comment, and based on his performance or her performance you can so I'm giving 8 out of 10. That is the grade that I'm giving. So let's all of us follow this grade uniquely. Whatever it is decided by the school, we'll follow that. But for time being, I'm just giving us 10 points for each assignment for that student. So I'm saving that. So this comment and grade can be seen by that student, and it will be added to the grade book as well. Yeah, it is done. As and when I assign this graded, I immediately received a notification from Edmodo saying that your assignment has been graded. So that's how it is done. Then you can grade all at once the due date is completed, once the due time is completed, you can grade all students at once. It will be easy. Now, what about children? Will they be able to post like this? They cannot. We will be changing some settings. Children cannot post like this. They have to post to the that assignment, created assignment itself. That we need to train children, we need to prepare children for that. We have already prepared slides. We'll be providing that slides to you so that you can show them in the class. I think that's all about creating. Edit. If you want to edit, you can just tap on the assignment, view assignment. Suppose you want to change something, you can always go back and edit assignment. Want to change some text, you want to add some more resources, or you want to change the due date. Maybe you felt that is too early, children may not. You can change it, you can add pictures, you can delete if you want. So those are some simple steps how you can create